Parents often come to me with questions like, is it normal for my child to snore at night? Why do they sleep with their mouth open? Why are they grinding their teeth? Why are they waking up so tired? If you have the same questions, you're not alone. Sleep disordered breathing is more common than many parents realize. In most cases, those symptoms may affect your child's growth and facial development. I'm Dr. Al-Saffar at North Star Dentistry, and part of my focus is evaluating how your child's teeth, jaws, tongue, and airways work together during their growth and development. We assess your child's breathing patterns, tongue posture and function, oral habits, and facial growth. Certain signs such as mouth breathing, grinding, crowded teeth, narrow jaws, or even bedwetting can sometimes indicate that your child's airway may be obstructed. When we identify these issues early, we may recommend early interceptive orthodontic treatments or habit-correcting appliances that are designed to guide the jaw development, support nasal breathing, and improve the quality of sleep. The goal is not simply to straighten teeth, it's to create enough space for the tongue, proper airway development, and healthy facial growth. Early evaluation can make a huge difference because in most cases, early detection can reduce the need for future orthodontic treatment. If you've noticed signs like mouth breathing, snoring, crowded teeth, sleep concerns, daytime restlessness, headaches, and focus issues in your child, I'd be happy to help evaluate what's going on. At North Star Dentistry, our goal is to support not just beautiful smiles, but healthy breathing, better sleep, and long-term well-being.